Hi guys, it's assistant number 1 here. Bet you were expecting Jeff to start off the video. No, it's me starting off the video. Okay, Jeff, you can come in now. The video has started. I've started it off now. Come in here.
Okay, I'm here. Finally a video without Jeff Jr. And Jerry instead.
Yay!
It's Jerry. Okay, today we're going to be doing a Lego building contest. We have our Lego bricks, our Lego. So we're going to split them evenly into 2 pieces, 2 piles, and then we're going to make. Okay, assistant number 3, come in here. We need to.
Hi, they're going to make us out of Lego, out of this Lego. Bye. Bye.
Okay, see, we're going to make them. We've decided, because I'm Jeff, I'm doing assistant number 1, and he's doing assistant number 3. Okay! Oops. Let's begin. Let's just start them and whatever.
I need some. Okay, that's probably good.
Okay, we're ready. We'll pause the video because it'll probably take a long time and tell you when we're done. Okay, let's go. Pausing the video now.
2 extraordinarily long Lego builds later.
Okay, we are back and we made our Lego things. Check them out.
Okay, so this is my...
Here is assistant number 1.
Wait,
assistant number 1.
where did that hand come from?
Time for comparison. I'll be holding this in assistant number 1 when we get in here.
Hi. What do you think? Is it good? Why do I look like the devil? I have like black eyes.
Decide who won in the comments.
Yeah, decide who won in the comments down below. Jeff, who made this, or Jerry, who made that. Okay, assistant number 3, get in here.
And his piece of junk. And his piece of junk.
We need to do a comparison, Jerry.
I know.
I'll hold it. Assistant number 3. Get on camera.
What is
He
it?
also looks like the devil. Okay, this is a comparison. He also looks like the devil.
Ow, my cheek.
Why did you do that, bro? Okay, that's the end of the video.
Bye.
Stay cool
See you
and
later.
like me and not like Jeff Jr. because
See you later.
he's an idiot. Bye. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.